really dark. Wow. I need to start over. By the way, this is my third try. Hey guys, it's Joe, and next up in the Glam Lab, I am trying contouring. Now, I do love makeup, but I kind of consider myself a one-trick pony. I don't really step out of my comfort zone. I wear a lot of neutrals. I do the same kind of thing every day. But I've got to say, I've always wanted to try contouring. It's an art. It has transformed the beauty world by transforming faces. But it seems like there's so many steps and so much involved that I've been a little intimidated to try it out. If I'm going to try contouring, I figured why not try it from the Contour Queen. I got the Contour and Highlight Kit from Kim Kardashian. So here goes nothing. So what is contouring really? Basically, it's a makeup technique that enhances the structure of your face by highlighting what you like and shadowing out what you don't. For example, a lot of people want to highlight their cheekbones and eyes, but maybe they want to make their forehead appear smaller or nose a little shorter. First thing you should do is your normal moisturizing foundation and concealer. So you're supposed to start with the matte side of the highlighter, like around here, above here, little here, then you take the contour stick. We're gonna contour my nose. Follow the bridge. Does that seem right? I don't know. Now, I'm gonna do my cheekbones. Like, how far do I go? Looks good. Then you can follow the 3 rule. Go here, then make your 3, and then go down your jawline. Really doing it, guys. I'm really contouring. Then fill that in. This is so much makeup. Wow. Now we blend. You're supposed to start on the forehead in a circular motion. The darker ones first. This seems like crazy to me. This is the most makeup I've ever worn in my life. Oh, my wrist hurts. Feels like everything's kind of blended, which is a good sign. That's nice. My skin looks smooth. I look really tan. Okay, so I'm blended in. Now I'm going in with the highlighter. Okay, so all in all, you know, I get it. I do like this look. I love seeing my cheekbones really pop. I love the highlight on the face. However, it's a lot of steps and a lot of makeup. This is way more than I ever wear. I mean, like, it's in my hair. Really, it's in there. It's caked on, I can feel it. And I really liked my skin to breathe a little bit more. Okay, let's talk price. The kit I used comes in at $48. That is a little pricey. You don't need that if you want to be contouring. You just need the matte highlighter and the contour stick. However, I did like that it came with the tools. All in all, I have to give the contouring thing a thumbs down. For my lifestyle, I know people love it. I think it does look awesome. It's just not something I can work into my everyday routine. But whether you want to try it or not, at least I did, so you don't have to.